The Business Immersion Week, I believe, is something that's extremely important. To be able to give students the tools to take the theory and education they've learned and apply it in a real world, that's the best lesson we can give them.
We get to go on the field, outside of the classroom. We get to see practically how business is done.
This is an amazing opportunity for them to network, expand their horizons, especially in terms of job search.
I think that the content of this week is amazing, to get inspiration from people with a lot of experience.
I think networking is key. Having the opportunity to be surrounded by people from different nations, different mentalities, different cultures.
These leaders could tell you some additional things that really matter in business.
I wish I had access to a Business Immersion week when I was studying.
I had so much fun because I met new people and learning a lot, but using like a fun way to do so.
SIP really emphasized the importance of being disruptive so that you stand out.
There's always something new to learn from. There's always new people to be inspired from.